great war.
My grandpa told me about the trenches and the land in between. One day he asked what was it called. No one's land, he says, the worst place he'd ever been.
Stomach churning with anxiety. He wasn't sure how much more he could take of this, what with constant explosions, gunshots, and watching as his fellow soldiers were shot. He didn't think that World War was this horrifying.
The definition of a patriot is someone who loves their country and feels very loyal towards it, supports it, defends it, and is prepared to fight for it at all costs. John and William were patriots who fought alongside the other Irishmen and who thought they were doing what was best for their country, and today I am glad and proud to represent them. Battling in the front lines. Pointlessness. The shock of shells raining from the sky was all-encompassing. The men were shaking and hallucinating. Their pupils were dilating like puddles of dark blood. Some letters were lost in transit, meaningful words fading into puddles of mud. Tear-stained greetings and empty wishes ripped smithereens of home carpeting post office floors. Strings of sentences fed to droll rats, all their desperate intentions lost. Intentions to restore happiness, to instill hope, to make men immune to fear, to shock, to shells. It was almost impossible to be impervious to that kind of rain.
Hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, 1918, the guns fell silent.
The poppy has become the symbol of remembrance for those who fought in the Great War and in subsequent wars.
In our assembly, we think of William McBride, representing every Irish soldier that died during World War I, and Alex will take a last post to remember them. We hope you enjoyed our assembly today and found it interesting and thought-provoking, and we appreciate your patience, your presence, and your attention. Thank you.